Alright, this is box break 2 for the score, 2012-13 Panini score. First box was garbage, I guess, but I guess the set's out of like 500 or 600. That's what the cards were numbered up to, so I picked these up at Walmart, like I said on the first one. Alright, $12.85. I wanted to see what Panini could do on the cheap, but we'll see. Peke Rene, Gregory Campbell, Alexander Edra, Dmitry Orlov, Brent Connolly, Pavel Datsuk, Yaroslav Halak, Adam Burris, Drew Miller, Craig Anderson, Josh Harding, Zach Wojcik, Czech Pickard, Devin Dubnik, Evgeny Malkin, Brian Bickle, Jason Pominville, Eric Bolton, Dmitry Kulov, Carey Price, Troy Brower. Marc-Andre Bergeron, Patrick Bergeron, Eric Cole, Tim Jackman, Kyle Wellwood, Mike Connolly, Kyle Brodziak. Not doing so good on Leaf cards. Tim Thomas, Nazem Kadri, speak of the Leafs, Eric Kondar, Peter Muir, Tim Gleason, the franchise, Jean Beliveau, Franz Nielsen, sorry. So much easier just to cut them all at one time. Jason Arnott at the back, Nick Spalling, Mike Kosarik, Henrik Sedin, Timo Hardatikin, Ray Whitney, Phil Kessel, nice, Jason Arnott, Henrik Lundqvist, Braden Shen, Ilya Kovalchuk, Jamie Lanningbrother, Damon Lanko, Cody Golubeef, Matt Duchene. Well, we've got a couple Leafs. Evgeny Malkin, award winner, Mark Stahl, Benoit Poulet, Mark Green, Magnus Parvarvi, Mark Latusu, Iggy. Last 3 packs, Jonathan Quick, Jacob Voracek, Travis Sajak, Joel Ward, Louis Erickson, Scott Glean, Mike Camilleri. Oh, come on, I want some Leafs. Give me some Leafs. Joe Thornton, Corey Crawford, Brian Giunta, Sean Horkoff, Sergei Brabowski, Brandon Bowling, Leland Irving. Last pack, Andrew Cogliano, Evgeny Malkin, Slavlov, Vanapov, Matt Kassan, Andy Mealy. First goal, Mike Shafley. Card looks horrible. Steve Downey. So that's my box break for Score Panini 2012-13 Walmart for $12.89. Yeah, $12.89 sounds about right. All right, guys.